Good evening, guys. It's our last full day here at Glamis North, and we're gonna get back on the road. And it was another hot one today.
It's hot, damn hot, real hot. Hot in this is my shorts. I can cook things in it.
Our next destination is gonna be dependent on whether this new generator down here can run our air conditioner. It said on the box it can do it. So what we have here is a Generac 2800 watt inverter model. And if you've been following our channel, this one has a dust guard. Radio check. All right, stand by. Engine switch on, economy mode off, fuel on, choke out. There's no primer bulb. Here we go. First try, that's always good. .30 amp cord plugs right in. We're gonna start with it not in economy mode. Okay, moment of truth. Hit the air conditioner. Oh, just kicked up. It just loaded up. So far, so good. No overloading. Is the AC working in there? Hey, is the AC working in there? Hello, hello? Okay, my helper had to hop on a phone call. That's why she wasn't answering. But she gave me the thumbs up that it is working. That is awesome. So this means that we can go boondocking and run our air conditioner during the hottest parts of the day. We've proven our point. Let's go hook back up to shore power. Well, I guess this is a good opportunity to share an initial review of this generator. And if it's your first time watching our channel, we have this generator because the house generator in our motorhome is very, very loud and it has a drinking problem. And by running a remote external generator, it just saves us so much money and makes the quality of life better without having to spend a lot of money on a solar setup. And we're storing it while we travel right here in the back of the ATV. So for security, I lock it up here and over there with these cable locks. I'll probably upgrade to something a little heavier duty. As for the ease of use, so far, this generator has started up every single time on the first pull. And its fuel economy is not quite as good as our little 2 kW generator that we had last time, but it has a larger fuel tank, so it runs for just about the same amount of time. When we were out camping at the sand dunes in formal Glamis, we ran this thing for a solid 8 hours on one tank of fuel. So that's not bad. For a size reference, it's not that big of a generator. This pull handle is nice, but if you're gonna ask me to predict a failure, I'm gonna guess it's gonna be within these wheels. Well, I hope you enjoyed this real life review of the Champion 2800 watt inverter model portable generator. Keep in mind it was only a short-term review, and if you keep watching and subscribe to our channel, you will see this play out as we continue to use this generator in our travels. So thanks for watching. Tomorrow we might go head in the direction of that expedition vehicle. That is still kind of playing out, but in case you are new to our channel, we are in the market for an expedition vehicle to drive around the world. So another reason to hit subscribe and see how that plays out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.